Maxence Lacroix to Chelsea from Crystal Palace. Deal believed to be 51 million. Coming from Palace, the centre back, 26 years old. I think it's a good deal for Chelsea. I think when you look into today's market, the likes of Lenny Euro going for 60 million and defenders like that. I think Lacroix, Premier League proven. I think Chelsea, if you look at the signing this season, a lot of Premier League proven players, which I'm very happy about. Moving away from the model that Chelsea have been in the past couple of seasons, where it's young players under 23 years old. I think Lacroix moves us away from that model, which I do believe Chelsea needs. Just bringing a bit more experience, being a bit more Premier League proven. I think he's a good defender. He definitely boosts Chelsea's centre back ranking with the likes of Chalobah, Disasi, and Badiashile. Talks of them going the other ways, or going out rather. So Lacroix definitely a bigger upgrade to our centre back pairing with hopefully pairing with what's his name? Colwell, Levi Colwell. We know Xabi Alonso plays three at the back. Lacroix also used to play three at the back at Palace, so he fits in very, very well into that system. So definitely a good signing. I think there's still more deals to come for Chelsea, especially in the midfield department. But the speed that Chelsea has been getting their deals done has been good to watch. Arsenal, Liverpool, United. I know United have signed two midfielders as well. But the other teams, please, it can't just look like I'm only doing a Chelsea signings. So when the other teams make their signings, I'll be sure to make a video on that as well.